I got my holiday started and I've got a lot of free time on my hands. So I'm gonna try and utilize some of my time and gonna plant some seeds and make them grow. So my mom gave me an idea to use these seeds. So these ones are chia seeds, and because these are really small, they'll grow quicker. These are the mustard seeds, and it's just really beautiful. And this is the fenugreek seeds, and I love fenugreek because it makes everything very tasty. So this is called pearlite, and you can find it it's a volcanic rock, and you can find it anywhere like a nursery nearby your home. This is garden soil. If you have a garden, then it's really easy to get them. But if you live in an apartment, it's really, you have to just go to some shop and then you'll find it. This is coco peat. This one also you can get it from like a nursery. So I got some of these pots. These are really small. If you want, you can get some of, you can get some of the recycled, you can recycle some plastic bottles you have at home, so you can use that. But I bought these because I think these will work better. In your pot, you have to have some drainage also. If you accidentally put excess water, the water can get drained out. So the perlite in the coco peat is used, it's helpful to retain the moisture of the soil, and the garden soil is going to give the nutrients to the plant. So before we start potting, we have to mix this, so the perlite, the coco peat and the garden soil gets mixed together. I have already mixed together the garden soil, the perlite and the coco peat. It kind of feels like I'm playing at the beach with sand castles. See? It's kind of actually, because now you have to add some water, so it becomes like, so you can mix it together. And now I feel like I'm still playing at the beach, but I've added some water into it. So I've put a tissue paper at the table, so when I put the soil inside the pots, it does not get dirty, because I'm gonna have to clean it myself. Okay, so now I've mixed the soil. We can put, so you see this, before we put the soil in, you're gonna have to use a thin piece of plastic, so that you can stop it from, when the plant needs, when you put the water inside it does not get access, there's no access drainage. So you put it like that, so like this. So first we start putting. The plastic also helps in stopping the soil going out from the drainage holes. Okay, so that's enough for one pot. And I've got these little trays, so when the water comes out, it does not fall all over the floor. That's enough for one. So I've put all the soil inside the little pots. So we're gonna put the seeds. I'm gonna start with chia seeds because I like them. Okay, so that's enough for chia seeds. Then I'm gonna put the mustard. That's enough for the mustard. Now for the fenugreek. The fenugreek kind of looks like the mustard seeds because it's yellow. So now you're supposed to put some soil over it, so the seeds get covered. Like just a thin layer. Then the fenugreek. Just put enough that they don't get seen like clearly. That's enough. And for this, the chia seeds, that should be good. So now what I've done is I've written the names and the date on the so now that we've done sowed the seeds, we're going to have to sprinkle some water because we already put water when we were mixing the soil, so you just have to sprinkle a few drops. Okay. For identification, I've written names and the date, so because right now we won't know which ones are which until they grow up. So I've written the names and the date. So I'm going to put mustard here.
Go.
Now I have labeled all the pots. I can give you some tips what to do. So every few days you have to water them. So when they germinate, and when they germinate, don't touch them because then they'll feel the pressure and they can die. Same with when you water and there are two leaves. You have to water them very carefully. You can use a sprinkler if you want, and it won't give them much pressure as they do if you pour them directly. Stay tuned to watch how they turn out. Bye.